So who are the key players when it comes to foreign exchange trading? Well, in a way, it's you. You're one of the key players because you're a retail trader. But you know, how do you connect to the rest of the market? Let me show you. As well as being a retail broker, trading through a brokerage, there's lots of banks who will sell you the currency via the brokerage or buy it from you. But they also trade through other brokers, their own specialist banking brokers with other banks. And some of them just trade, instead of through brokers, directly through their own online portals with other banks. And there's a lot of banks out there. That's why there's $5 trillion worth of business going on. So in a way, it's you plus the banks. Now that might scare you. You might think, well, wait a minute, I'm bound to lose out. We're going to look at trading strategies and successful private investors to show you you're not going to lose out. You're actually going to be one of the winners when it comes to trading. But that's not all. Let's look at who the other people are. They're individuals. They're just normal people. These are some of the sums that they've made in foreign exchange trading, in hedge funds and through the market. And you see that we're talking billions. That doesn't mean everybody who does it is going to make that kind of money. But it's to show you that there are normal people who have just been provided an education on how to buy and how to sell. And that's the purpose of education webinars, lectures like this. The reason why people like you are doing it, and that's the point, these are the people like you can see them here, the regular people, is because the scales have been turned in our favor. Now you, through a computer, can access the same quotes that the big banks do. That's brilliant news. You no longer need to be at a bank with a whole group of all these slides and so on. It's absolutely phenomenal news. And that's why people like you are doing it, and that's who the FX traders are. They're increasingly people like you.